Hello and welcome everyone to Silver Asset of the Day for the 30th of April 2021, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So as we get towards the end of the week here, what do you need to be aware of? Over the course of this week, we have seen again further big breakouts to the upside on many commodities as we continue to transition through the super cycle. We've seen copper prices break out to 10-year highs. We've seen palladium prices break out to all-time highs. We've seen other commodities such as corn break out to 7-year highs. Lumber prices have doubled over 2021, and we've also capitalized on big breakouts of energies this year. Gasoline prices up 47%. We banked another 900 points over this week on our energy position. For every one lot that you'd be trading, that's $9,000 of profit. For every 10 lots that you'd be trading, that's $90,000 of profit that we banked and benefited from with our members at the Gold and Silver Club. On the 30th of April, of course, is the end of the month. So this is where you can see end of month rebalancing of portfolios. You may see some uptick on the dollar as we get right towards the very last trading day of the month. And then as we go into next week, it's worthwhile being aware that we have a bank holiday not only in the UK, also in Europe, but in China too, and that will last until Wednesday of next week. So what that means is during thinner liquidity, exaggerated moves on the metals as we go into a new week. Now we've taken the opportunity towards the end of the week here with the sell-off on the metals, silver in particular, to build further positions. We now actually have 6 trades running on silver. We built into another position just on Thursday on the dip that we've seen after the FOMC statement. Commodity prices, they don't go up in a straight line, they do zigzag. We still continue to have our exposure on gold here, and we're taking this opportunity on the sell-off, particularly on Thursday, to top up on silver. This is again where many traders have had problems here by buying in too high. Again, the technical traders, they're getting their confirmation too high. They end up buying gold at $17.85, for example. They end up getting into silver at $26.50 per ounce, only to then see a big correction lower, a pullback that they may not be able to withstand, and then you subsequently see the big breakout to the upside afterwards. This is where you want to make sure that you're capitalizing on key areas of liquidity, that you're aware of the cycles in the market. Very clear that we talked you through this as well, that you could get dollar strength later on in the week as you get end of month rebalancing of portfolios, profit taking around the FOMC statement as well, which would potentially lend to better prices for you to add to metal positions. And that's exactly the opportunity that has been provided over the course of this week. So as we go into next week and we move into a new month, which will be May, also got all of the backdrop of infrastructure spending and this big push towards green energy and electric vehicles, which will benefit further industrial metals. But again, commodities, they don't move up in a straight line. It's very important to know when to bank your profits and then when to come back into trades as well. This is where you want to be aware of sentiment in the market. We see it so often, traders panic selling out of their positions only to then see the market move in their ultimate direction. They haven't had enough conviction to stay in the trade, or worse, they end up buying at the top of a move if they traded it properly, not utilizing outdated technical analysis strategies, which keep giving delayed confirmations, and you'll end up just getting liquidated a lot of the time and chopped up in these market conditions. So what you want to be utilizing, of course, is more of an edge in the market: data, facts, statistics. You want to use market intelligence, marry that up with the cycles, the daily, the weekly, the monthly, quarterly cycles in the market. Be aware of the seasonal playbook, the best times of year to enter certain commodities in the market. Know key areas of liquidity. It's just as important to know when to bank your profits as it is when to get into trades as well. Understand macroeconomics. Alongside that, the intermarket correlations will help you a lot too. The ratios in the market, the major news items that are big catalysts for commodities, so that you can really maximize the super cycle that we're in at the moment. And of course, be aware of what the hedge funds, money managers, banks and institutions are doing in the market. That will also help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to become a member of the Gold and Silver Club.